Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Snapchat Plus icon or the Snapchat Premium icon is missing. Now, what does this mean? I'll kind of have to switch to a different phone. Well, what does this mean? Well, essentially it means that every time you click up here and you accidentally click up here, you do not see the Snapchat Plus icon, aka the way to actually upgrade to Snapchat Plus. So as you can see, I don't see it. Now, the reason why this is happening, there's a couple reasons. The first thing being your specific account hasn't gotten it yet, and or you just haven't updated your Snapchat application in a while. So what I would recommend doing is going into your app store, just like so, clicking the search icon, and literally just searching up Snapchat. So whether it's your app store, Google Play Store, whatever, you want to go and find the app, you want to click on it, and you want to update the application. Now, when you do that, a majority of the time, all you'll have to do is just go and update, and that should end up fixing the situation. So go ahead and update the specific app, and most of the time, you'll probably end up getting that specific, Snapchat Plus icon there. So as you can see, it just updated. You can click open. You can go and click onto the tap bar right here. You can get into settings, and most probably that Snapchat Plus icon should be here somewhere. As you can see, it's still not here, which is totally okay. It's going to happen regardless. Now also on top of this, it is being rolled out in a very interesting way. So on this account, I don't have it, right? But on my other account, I actually do have this type of capability. So if I log into this account, if I go and click on the top left, same exact phone, same exact version of software, if I go and click settings, you can see my Snapchat Plus icon right there. So it's very strange. It's coming out in a as-need basis. So you're going to be able to get this capability at some point. It's just being rolled out very, very slowly. So some accounts are going to get it, some accounts aren't. I don't know why I even got it. Maybe because I have a Snapchat account with the following, but I haven't even posted on Snapchat in a long, long time. So that's pretty much how to do it. You can also try turning on your phone, turning it off. You can try deleting Snapchat, reinstalling it, but most probably you'll have to wait until they actually officially, send it over to your specific account. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.